Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video, aka bag video. This I believe is back probes. Should be related to the previous video to this one. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So this should be related to the previous video. I believe it's actually the same item as in the previous video. As well as I believe this one is too. I think this one is the exact same item. Kind of sounds the same as this one. I believe these are back probes. What are your guys' guesses? You let me know. This bag is pretty flat. I don't know why they had to use such big bags for these items. It's 8 inches by and 5/8 of an inch wide by 15 inches long by literally 1/16. It's, you know, in this section is where the item is, so it's 1/4. But, you know, it's just, I guess, you know, this is just a quick video. I do appreciate everybody stopping by. I do try my best to provide entertainment. You know, I started these guess what's in the box videos way back right before COVID happened, and I enjoy making them. I know some people have told me that they don't like them, and you know, if you don't like them, you know, feel free to leave comments telling me why you don't like them, or you don't want to watch them, or leave comments on. You know, maybe if you don't like them because I just don't do them in a way that makes sense or something, you know, if you have a suggestion on a better way that I could do these videos, let me know. You know, I don't mind criticism, you know, feedback. Don't just leave a comment, you know, a rude comment and get snippy and rude and start cussing at me for no apparent reason, because you know, I'm not going to respond to comments like that. You know, if you start throwing F-bombs and calling me, you know, any kind of names, I'm not going to take your opinions or your thoughts seriously. You can give me a dislike, you know, all you like. I don't care, to be honest with you guys. You know, I do care about honest feedback. Do not turn around and say the video's crap and then not explain why. That is very aggravating. At least explain why the video sucked would be helpful. I do try my best. I know there's been lots of viewers that have told me that it doesn't make sense to them, or I don't give enough hints. And you know, on some videos I don't give any hints other than I measure the box or the bag or whatever it is. But me, you know, as an example, a lot of people I guess don't listen, and I'm not trying to be rude. It's just a fact. A lot of people don't listen. They don't listen to every word that's said. 99% of these videos I've done, I have actually given more than 5 hints on most of them. Stating it's related to a previous video is a hint. Stating that it's related to the previous video right before this video, that's an even bigger hint. You know, just like in this one, me stating that I believe this is the exact same item that was in the previous video, that's also another hint. I believe a hint in the titles too. Electronics, guess what's in the box. Tools, guess what's in the box. Power tools, guess what's in the box. Movies, guess what's in the box. Every time I do one of these guess what's in the box videos, I do leave a hint in the title. Electronics or computer or tools, power tools. I don't think I've done any that said power tools, but I usually just label those as tools. But I usually do leave hints. I do appreciate everybody that stops by and hangs out on the channel. I ordered these back in all of these packages, every single one that I've previously opened. All the ones that are sitting over there right now. This one, I purchased these, you know, somewhere around the beginning of February. I received them like between February 14th and February 20th, or not 14th, but February 20th to 27th is when I received all these packages. It is now March 11th, I believe. March 11th or March. Oh, it's March 12th. It's a Saturday, 2022 today. So, you know, they've been sitting on my tool cart my electronic cart for 2.5, 3 weeks now. But, you know, I'm just getting to them. Just really haven't been feeling in the mood, and I'm sure you can tell based off of my voice and how I'm talking. I'm tired. You know, just been a lot of funerals this year, and it's just, it's kind of getting to me. My grandma passed away of cancer. Buddy Steven passed away literally on the 9th, and today's the 12th. And he was well known all over YouTube. You know, he was a great moderator, good friend. So that was sad news. Come to find out, my dog's got cancer, and, you know, I'm trying to get... I've got an appointment for him on Thursday next week, which is the 17th. He's going to go through surgery, trying to get the tumors out. He's got a cyst growing, a huge, massive cyst. It's growing by the day. By his genitals, so that's not really great either. Trying to get some of these things taken care of for him, so that way he doesn't, you know, end up dying because he can't go to the bathroom or anything like that. So it's really been a crappy year and a half. You know, the crappiness started when my truck accident happened in July of last year, in 2021. And then, you know, my grandma passing away in December of the end of December of 2021. And then Steven passing away, you know, a few days ago. And finding out my dog's got cancer, literally, like, I found out my dog has cancer, literally, I think it was like 4 days before Steven passed away. And, you know, it's been a really crappy year and a half. Last year wasn't great. This year isn't going very great. You know, it's just, I guess it is what it is, guys. You know, and I don't normally make these Guess What's in the Box videos very long, but, you know, maybe I'm just sharing my thoughts with you guys. You know, if you don't like these videos, you know, on the side note, back to the original portion of the video and what I was talking about, you can leave comments if they're going to be constructive. I'm all for it. If you have ideas of how I can make them better, let me know. If you don't like them, if you don't have something nice to say, keep it to yourself. If you can't give criticism and explain why you don't like the video, then keep it to yourself. Because a lot of people think that when they give criticism, it's criticism. No. You know, a lot of people have literally made comments on my channel, you know, that video is crap. And then I ask, well, why is it crap? And they're like, well, I already explained that. I said, no, you didn't. You just said it was crap. That's all you said. That's not explaining. Well, yes, I did. And it's just no point to argue. What you can do if you don't like the video, just don't watch it. Wait for me to unbox it on the next video. I've never made you guys literally wait like 5 months for me to unbox something. I record the Guess What's in the Box video, and in the same day, as soon as I turn this video off, I'm recording the Guess What's in the Box section. I turn the camera off, I turn it back on, do an intro, and I literally do the unboxing. I literally do the unboxing 5 minutes later, after. Unless I get busy or I get a work call or whatever. I normally record the unboxing and the guess what's in the box literally within 5 minutes of each other. Other than the recording, if this video is 20 minutes, then it's 20 minutes. But so just letting you know that. And when I upload them, this video will always be first. The unboxing is literally the next day. I always post day after day videos. Every day I have a video. So, the only way you guys would have to wait is if I eventually get away from weekly, daily videos, where I have 7 videos a week. If I ever get away where I turn out and do 1 video a week, then this would be 1 week, and then the next week, the unboxing would, unbagging, unboxing, or revealing what it is will be on the next week's video. But as of this moment, if I upload this as an example to show on the 13th, on the 14th, you'll see the unboxing. But, that's all I got, guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the channel, hanging out with me today. If you understand what I'm talking about, I do, leave comments. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if you agree on any of this. I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!